Hello! It would be great if you could join us by clicking the like button, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Let's start! Conversation 1. Hi Cindy, welcome back. How was your holiday? It was wonderful. I really enjoyed it. There are so many wonderful places to see over there, but I couldn't visit them all. Did you visit Buckingham Palace? Yes, I did. It was so big. It has more than 700 rooms and a large garden. Did you happen to see the Queen while you're there? Unfortunately, no. I would have loved to get a glimpse of her or even get a picture together with her. Did you take a lot of pictures there? Yes, I did. Let's find a seat and I'll show them to you. Conversation 2. Hi Jane, are you alright? You seem upset. No, I'm not. Someone has just taken my purse. Oh no, that's terrible. Did you happen to see his face? It happened so quickly, and when I realized what was happening, he was gone. He was riding a motorcycle. Do you have your mobile phone with you? Yes, it's here. It just so happens I put it in my pocket. Did you have any bank cards in your purse? Yes, it had everything in there. My ID, driver's license, bank and credit cards. I happened to park my car nearby. Let's go to a police station and report your loss. Now, let's read the following useful phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini. How was your holiday? It was wonderful. I really enjoyed it. Did you happen to see the Queen? I would have loved that. You seem upset. Did you happen to see his face? I happened to park my car nearby. It just so happens I put it here. It happened so quickly. When I realized what was happening. Notes. Kalimat did you happen to artinya apakah kamu kebetulan, dan kalimat it happened so quickly yang artinya itu terjadi begitu cepat sama-sama mempunyai kata happen, tapi arti yang berbeda. Kita menggunakan did you happen to ketika kita menanyakan suatu kebetulan atau untuk meminta sesuatu dengan sopan. Kita menggunakan it happened so quickly untuk sebuah peristiwa yang terjadi. It just so happens adalah sebuah ungkapan yang artinya kebetulan, sesuatu yang terjadi secara tidak disengaja. It just happened adalah sebuah kalimat yang menunjukkan bahwa sebuah peristiwa baru saja terjadi. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you back next time.